What's going on YouTube? Your boy, not your average hire, but you know, back with another video. And today, you feel me? You see the title. You know what I'm doing. You see I'm all bundled up. It's cold over here, but you know I gotta make the content. So, you know, stay tuned, guys. You feel me? I know what y'all came to see. I got you. The fresh cold stuff. I don't know why in the wintertime it don't be, you feel me, as loud as the summertime, but yeah. You feel me? You see the title of the video. Pretty much what I'll be doing. See this wood grain? Remember that video I told y'all about? I was gonna wrap this? Yes, sir. You already know what I'm about to do. And you see, we got the forged carbon, so I'm wrapping the wood grain on the back, the front, you know, right there, and all of that, you know, the other side too. So. You know, guys, it's gonna be an interesting one, so stay tuned. Alright, so yeah, like I was saying, got the forged carbon ramp from Vvivid.com. They have a nice little sale going on, so you know how to cop up. Alright, pretty much all I did was, you feel me, just cut a nice little piece to size. Of course, I'm gonna cut it again. But you know, you don't want to have, you know, too much, you only have too less. So. Cut it right in half right about there. That should be enough to do both of the back doors for real, so be good. What I'm gonna do is make sure you wipe it down, make sure it's clean. And I'm gonna use my heat gun. Using my heat gun, heat it up a little bit since you know it's been rolled up for a while. Here we go, pretty much straighten it out, make it pretty much flat, you know, it's rolled up, so now you got it pretty much flat. Take off the backing paper. And yeah, we got a generator all up in there. I'm just gonna take the heat gun, apply a little bit of heat. Alright, gotta heat it up and form. Yeah, I pretty much want to take just, something real thin, just go in between the crack, you feel me? Have an outline. Alright, so now that I use you could either use, your fingernail or get a nice thin tool, just go in the outline of it. I'm doing this. And make sure you get a nice sharp knife and just make a nice precise cut. Alright guys, and as you can see, that's pretty much done. I'm just heated up. Form the edges for real, and take my squeegee, round out the edges, and we're pretty much done, guys. Alright guys, sorry that took so long, you feel me? I'm just you feel me, a perfectionist. I wanted to get everything done, every little inch tucked. But as you can see guys, up close and personal. Nice and clean. What you guys think? This is the forged carbon from Vvivid. As you can see, just did it myself. This is what it looks like after, and this is what it looked like beforehand. The wood grain, so you can see that. And that to that, guys. Which one you guys fucking with? Forged carbon. Or the brown. I feel as though the brown, you feel me, don't really go with anything else in the car. So might as well make it the icy forged carbon. But yeah, I pretty much do all the everything else to the same doors. I guess you really don't need to see the process. It's pretty much the same. As you can see, pretty much ran you through the process, and from start to finish. These the tools I'm using, of course, the heat gun, electrical cord, power. A vinyl wrap kit that I got on Amazon, so you can grab the same thing. Comes with absolutely everything you need. Everything, literally everything. You want to wrap the whole car, come with magnets too. So that, and just the vinyl wrap. So patience, and definitely a sharp knife and a steady hand. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I don't want to make this video, you feel me, too long. I'm gonna show you, of course, when I'm done. But yeah, guys, I'm about to get busy. Yeah, I'll show you afterwards. All right, YouTube, your boy has made progress. As you guys know, I recorded this door for you guys, so I went along, finished up that door. This door, what you guys think? Passenger door. Mighty clean, mighty clean. And the driver's door, guys. What you guys think? Sheesh. What you guys think? What you guys like? That wood grain? Ugh. That forged carbon? Sheesh. But yeah, guys, you feel me? I'm not done. I'm gonna just get rid of the rest of this wood grain. You feel me? And yeah. Oh yeah, before I do that, I'm gonna show you guys a few updates I got on the car. Small updates, so I didn't want to make a video on it, but got the Infiniti valve stem caps all the way around. Bam, 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 bam. All the way around. I don't know why this one turned like a bronze gold, but it's another one. And the last, I don't know why that one just turned gold, but yeah. And one last thing, I just removed that, you know, that fucking sticker here right there. That's gone. So now you can just see that Chevy Chad. But yeah, guys, it's this little update. Whew, about to finish up this wrap. Yeah. All right, YouTube. I've been at this bad boy for about 2 hours. As you can see the progress, you feel me? I'm getting it done. Hold on, I'm ready to show you real quick. You feel me? You see the process, you feel me? You're definitely getting done and getting done the right way, you feel me? And I just got done this little piece right here, flawless. You know, I'm not into taking all the panel pieces off and then wrapping them. I just like doing everything on the car. Maybe a little bit more challenging, but yeah. Sorry if you can hear me because I got this face mask on. It's cold out here. But I guess it's ready to be the end of this video. This is taking a while. It's cold out here. I'm hungry. I ain't eating no breakfast yet. So, you know, I'm going to do this piece, this piece, this piece, this piece, and this piece. So I guess these are the more challenging part, especially this and this. This is easy. Everything else is pretty much easy. Doors are a little bit more challenging than this, of course, but you got it curved around there. But it's all pretty easy, guys. You definitely do it yourself. Save yourself a few $100. Definitely looks good. Way better than that wood grain, guys. Come on, drop a like right now if you like this over that wood grain. Come on now, come on. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. You feel me? You get the gist. You get the gist. But till next time, Forge Carbon.